Hey YouTubers, hey you guys. How are you? I hope everyone's doing good, doing well, staying healthy during this pandemic still going on. So today, we're not going to have a discussion because I just want to briefly enlighten you on a subject. A subject that I would love to have a discussion about, but I haven't got all my thoughts together. There's so many experiences, people, things, and that has to do with that subject. I'm not sure if I should dive deep because I will have to definitely discuss my experience personally. So the subject that I'm talking about is narcissism. What is a narcissist? Okay, so what I want to tell you guys is that I think it's important for every single person out there to know what a narcissist is. I think it's important for everyone to be able to define them when they see these type of personality disorders, show up in their life through another person, because they will probably be confused, left for dead, looking for information, trying to understand what happened to them. And oh my gosh, just thinking about my own personal experience and the day that I discovered what a narcissist is, I was then able to exhale, like, okay, I'm not crazy. I'm not going crazy. I understand my reality. I know exactly who I am. I'm firm, I'm solid, and the person in who I am. And I'm definitely emotionally stable. I'm definitely empathic. I'm definitely giving. I'm definitely someone who just likes to reciprocate good energy. I bring great things to the table. From my root to my fruit, if I come into someone's life, I do not bring drama, I do not bring chaos, I do not bring jealousy, I do not bring possessiveness and obsessiveness and, craziness. But the narcissist will push your buttons. The narcissists have a way of flipping the script on you. They will do the most craziest things to you. And you would never think a friend, a family member, a co-worker, someone's in your workplace that's superior to you, a mother. You would never think that these type of people are the people who would secretly attack you, because that's how they attack you, secretly, so that you outwardly act out. Then it's, haha, she's crazy. Told y'all she's crazy. He's crazy. Look at them. They got all the flying monkeys vouching for their behavior because they haven't seen what they've done behind the scenes. So this is the type of characteristics amongst many that the narcissistic person will inflict upon you. They make you act out, basically. So you have to keep yourself grounded, know who you are, stay strong. I know sometimes a lot of people who've endured emotional abuse from a narcissist person, they still can't understand why it happened to them. They still blame themselves. You know what I'm saying? I don't blame myself for running into a narcissist. Or should I put it the other way, the narcissist running into me? Because they seek out certain beings for their supply. But what I just want to say to you guys briefly is, I think that everyone should enlighten themselves. Take the time out to just research a narcissist. And if you just read, you don't need to read a whole book, a whole essay. If you just read one paragraph about a narcissist, it's just going to draw you in to want to know more. You're going to want to understand this disorder, this personality disorder. You're going to want to define and reassess your circle. You know what I'm saying? If there's any imbalances in you, in your energy, when you come around certain people, you're going to then understand and start to want to even know the people who's around you, what their true intentions are. What do you really share? Is it a connection or is it an attachment? Like I talked about in one of my other discussions, but we're talking about the narcissist. So I encourage everyone to go look it up, read about it, discover you, discover the people in your life, get rid of them. It's not going to be easy because they're going to try to make your life a living hell. That's exactly one of the main, how do I put this? That is the main agenda of a narcissist, is to drive you crazy and make your life a living hell. Okay? So, enlighten yourself. Bye.